Hey guys, Captain Keith here with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're going to talk about something that's, probably not really glamorous, but very important to have and functional, is your rub rails on your boats. So this is a Boston Whaler 28 Dauntless right here, and you can see it's got this nice stainless steel rub rail in here. It's inserted into the back of this insert. So this is going to give you cushion if you have to lay up against a piling or a dock. If you're going slow and you need to pivot, they're going to take the brunt of this. Don't be sticking your hands out between the boat and the dock or the piling or your feet or any part of your body. Let the rub rail do the work. If you were to hit something too hard, these are all in sections. You can take it to your MarineMax store, the service departments. They can replace these, they can repair them, they can get the inserts in the back, they can get the stainless steel strips, screw it back in, and you're not even going to notice it. The stainless, just like your boat, you want to keep it looking nice and pretty. So maintenance-wise, just keep it clean, keep it waxed, and it'll look nice and shiny like this for years to come. So, talking about these rub rails, they are actually functional. You've seen the videos we do where 100% of the time we lay it in there without bumping a thing or scratching anything. Well, that might be take 2 or take 3. So as you're pulling into a slip, you may have a lot of wind or a lot of current. If you need to use this, don't be afraid to. That's what it's built for. I guarantee you, if you go out to a marina and you look at the wood pilings, they're not perfectly round. They're all etched out and they're scratched up and all that stuff. So this case with the stainless here, you got the little screw heads. If you lay on a piling and you're twisting around, worst case scenario, you may have a little bit of like splinters or something in here. It's no big deal, but you can 100% use this. You can lay up against the piling, use the engines, and help yourself to pivot around to get yourself positioned the way you need to. So very functional, use it if you need to. And like I said, don't be getting between your boat and the dock or the pilings. Let the rub rail do the work for you. So now that we've seen a stainless rub rail here on this 28 Outrage, let's take a walk over and go check out this 15 Montauk. So as we mentioned, now we're coming up to a 15 Montauk, and this has got the solid full rubber rub rail going around here. It's actually a couple pieces. You've got the outside edge, and then you got the rubber piece, the trim piece that's molded inside here. This is a 2018. This boat's lightly used. There's a way of properly caring for this rub rail as well. So before I mentioned using 303 protectant. This is just another one. This is just some instant shine. It's for rubber and for plastic. And you can see here we got a little, like, not gouges, but it's been rubbed up on there. It's done its job, right? So we can take a little bit of this, if I can get the lid to open up, spray it on this rag, and we'll see what we got here. So makes it a little shinier. It's going to take some of that grayness out of there. It makes it look good, and you can feel the difference too between the rubber down here and this up in here. So there's just different things you can do to keep it clean and pretty, but they're there for a purpose, they're there for their job, and that's what this one's done. So, quick little walkthrough on rub rails. Not glamorous, but you need to have them, and don't be afraid to use them. See you guys.